Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the iPhone 13 blue color versus the pink one, which is for the very first time. This color is unique to the iPhone lineup. This is the first time Apple actually introduced the blue color. We're going to take a look at the pink and the blue. If you're deciding between these two colors, what you can expect. Of course, both the phones are exactly the same. These are the regular 13 model, not the Pro or the Pro Max or the Mini. So there's four different models that you can get in. So let's go ahead and dive into today's video here. As you'll notice here, the blue one, the box is blue all across, the wording, the lettering, all of that here. This was just something they put on, but usually you don't see those writings here. And then of course here you notice things that will be included, and let's see what's actually included in the blue model here. So you got the blue shade here. As you notice, that blue is a premium finish to a blue, really crisp there, the color. And in the box, of course, if you haven't looked at our unboxing, you get the USB-C charger cable, but not the actual wall adapter anymore. So Apple has discontinued this starting with the iPhone 12 lineup, so you don't get this wall adapter any longer. And the other thing you get in the packet is going to be that instruction pamphlet with the SIM ejector tool and then the sticker as well. So that's what you're getting in these box. Both of the box has the exact same content inside of it. So let's go ahead and take this off and start looking at the phone. We're going to go ahead and power on the device here by holding this big side button, if you guys don't know how to do that and are new to iPhone. So here, as you can see, the all around the edge is our matte blue here. Across the board here, you have the SIM card tray, charge port speakers down here, wave. That's a little darker blue here. And then the back here is a glass back with Apple shiny logo here. Then this part here with a little bit lighter blue. Those cameras are now diagonal, those 12 megapixel camera. It's not the Pro or the Pro Max that have the 3 triple camera. This is the regular one, so remember, that's what you're getting here. So this is running on iOS 15. So let's put this phone here and take a look at the pink one. Again, same exact packaging box, that slim down box now that you get, and the phone itself, and of course the cable and that little pamphlet. So we'll put the blue one right here, and while that is power on, take a look at the blue one here, and you'll notice, of course, the pink one is a matte pink design here with the close-up lighting. It's not a dark pink, it's more of a whitish or light pink that you get. So as you can see here, from a distance it almost looks like the Starlight one or the white color one, but it is pink here. The iPhone 13, as you know, was released in September of 24. Again, both of the phones come with a lot of features here. We're going to put this aside and go ahead and power on. The pink one, you notice the bezel here from the front side, it's pink. We're powering it on here. So let's talk about both of these two phones. So they're released in September, of course. Comes with a 6.1 inch display, so the display size are same. The phones fit pretty nicely in your hand. It's not as heavy. They do have a display resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels, 60 hertz refresh rate. So as you know, Apple introduced the 128 refresh rate, but those are only available on the Pro and the Pro Max lineup. Unfortunately, the regular one do not have that upgraded refresh rate. Again, both of them have here are the 212 megapixel camera here. So let's put them side by side so you can see the color difference between the blue and the pink here. Again, they feature pretty much the same exact body. Of course, they're the same phone, just a different color here. You have the top notch here, which is much smaller here now compared to the iPhone 12 lineup. Of course, both of the phones are pretty powerful devices, coming with that new A15 Bionic chip, which we saw is really fast. Internally, they have 4 gigs of RAM, unlike the Pro models, which have 6 gigs. So they're not under the cover, a little bit slower, if you will, in terms of RAM. If you're doing a lot of gaming and such, might not make a difference, but again, it's something to point out. So the price for these phones start at $799 for the 128 gig, and then goes up to $899 for 256 gig and 512 for almost $1,000 here. Unfortunately, the regular 13 does not go up to the 1 terabyte, which the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max do. But however, these phones do have pretty good batteries. On the 13 here, you get a 3227 mAh battery here, so the batteries are decently sized battery. They're by no means they're pretty big batteries, and they are known to last pretty much the whole day, at least what Apple claims. If you're a light user to a medium user, you pretty much can go through the whole day, but if you're a heavy user, probably expect 3/4 of the day before you need a charge. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this color comparison between these two phones. Leave a comment in the comment section which one is your favorite color and why. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.